All right, so I'm working on getting everything packed up to take to Texas with me for the Bailey Industrial Metal Shaping class down at Gas Monkey Garage. So starting to pack up some of our t-shirts, posters, and other merchandise to take with me, and I figured I could show you guys some of the stuff I've got if you want to check it out. We've got the official Salty Bitch poster. It's 18 by 24 inch full color. I've got some shop towels that are Cornfield Customs logo with the belly tank on it. And then we have our Coop logo t-shirts that are in black with white font. We have the belly tank shirt, which is black with an ivory font. We have T&W Engineering t-shirts in black and white. Then we also have the official Salty Bitch t-shirt in full color. We have those in black and white. And then if you don't want a shirt that says bitch on it, I do have a PG version, which just says the Salty with the car, and the bitch is not on it. So I'm going to drop the link to our store down in the description, and I appreciate you checking it out. Thanks for the support.